Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can merge multiple videos into one using Canva. And the first thing that you need to do is you have to open a template that has the same dimension of your videos. So this is, for example, a 16 by 9 template. This is actually a desktop wallpaper template, and that's why I have this dimension. And you could have a different video dimension. It could be a vertical video, it could be a square video. So that is one thing to keep in mind. You have to select the size that is appropriate for your video. Anyway, after you got the videos, you can start putting those videos into the timeline. I don't have any videos. I'm going to search some videos from the stock library, but don't worry, the process is the same regardless of where the video is coming from. Okay, I have these videos, and I'm going to open the thumbnail view and enable duration so I can see the timeline. And after that, let's click and then drag that into the timeline. And I can do the same for the other video, put it here, and then I could also put it here. And this is basically now 3 different videos are becoming one. And when you're done, if you are happy with the composition of the video, you can click share, click download, and then you can select the file type as MP4, and you can select the quality of the video. And after that, you can make sure to enable all of that. This means that everything will be included into the video that you are about to download. And after that, you can click download and you will get this file, these videos into one video file. So that's basically it. That's how you can merge multiple videos into one using Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and please consider subscribing to this channel. It will really help me out, and I'll see you on my next video.